So now you have your iPad set up ready to screencast or screen record. A couple of things I want to point out for teachers or anyone who may be using this as a flipped classroom or for subplans. First thing, you want to make sure that anything you have on here you don't mind students seeing. So this includes maybe some apps you have or any reminders that you may have, including students' names, anything that you don't want students to see. You do not want on your iPad at that time of recording. When you are ready to record, you're going to right pull down and you're going to want to hit that do not disturb sign. That's that crescent moon right here. The reason why you want to hit that is that will disable any push notifications or text messages or phone calls coming through while you are screen recording. It's very easy to turn that back on once you're done recording, but when you are about to record, make sure that's turned on. When you are ready to screencast or screen record, you're going to hit this button down here. It's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and you are now recording. You're going to pull up the apps, walk the students through the lesson, whatever it is that you're doing, whichever apps, you will want to make sure that all of those are working smoothly before you record. That way your video is nice and seamless and students don't get distracted with you trying to log in or anything like that. When you are done with your screencast, you're going to go way up here to this little red button. You're going to hit that. It's going to say, are you sure that you want to stop recording? If you're not, you can hit cancel and it'll go back to recording. Otherwise, if you are done, you're going to hit stop. And then a message notification is going to show up here that is saved to your photos. When you are ready to view it, then you just go into your Photos app and it should be the last photo in that folder.